Welcome to this tutorial on adding a family member on Facebook using your PC. In just a few simple steps, you can enhance your profile and showcase your family connections. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to access your profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your information is displayed. Next, locate the About section on your profile. This section contains various details about you, including your work, education, and relationships. Click on About to proceed. Now, scroll down until you find the Family and Relationships tab. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Family Member. Click on this option to start adding a new family member. A search box will appear, prompting you to enter the name of the family member you wish to add. Type in their name, and Facebook will suggest profiles that match. Select the correct person from the list that appears. After selecting the family member, you'll need to specify your relationship with them. There will be a drop-down menu where you can choose from various options like brother, sister, mother, or father. Make sure to select the appropriate relationship that best describes your connection. Once you've entered their name and chosen the relationship, click on the Save button to finalize the addition. Congratulations! You have successfully added a family member to your Facebook profile. This not only helps in showcasing your family connections, but also makes it easier for friends and acquaintances to understand your family ties. Remember, if you want others to see this information, check your privacy settings to ensure it's visible according to your preferences. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Enjoy connecting with your loved ones on Facebook, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on enhancing your social media experience.